Hi, my name's Steve Rowley. I'm here at Jumeirah College in Jumeirah in Dubai, the CF Padel Academy. This is another lesson on, really it's a bit about pronation, how to smash the ball, how to get power. You've got bandejas, which you slow, hit the ball at shoulder height with the bat face open. So this would be a bandeja. Ball stays low. So if we're doing smashes where you want to bounce the ball out of the court, or you want to bounce it down so it's difficult for the opponent to get back, you need to do pronation. If you look at my arm here, my arm is straight. That is pronation. So my arm is actually not moving. My arm is not moving. My wrist is not doing this. I'm going over like that. That's called pronation. That's how you're going to get a lot of power. So if you're getting ready for a smash, obviously your left hand is going up. Your bat is not down your back because you don't want your elbow here. You want it to be about here. It's good. It's called a trophy position. That is a trophy position. And you want to make sure you don't think hitting down. It's actually the grip, which we talked about in the previous session. The grip enables you to do that, not this. It wants to be racket head first or bat head first, not elbow first or arm down. So I'm going to hit the ball down. I'm going to be doing that. Yeah, that would be a good action to do. So if you want to practice, you can actually practice to get this technique right, just on the glass on your own, doing this. So my arm is not moving. Just using the racket head to hit it down. That's a good practice there. You can make it a little bit higher. With my left hand. Another practice would be to do this. Catch the ball is good. Enables you to hit down. Okay. So we would progress from that. When you're at the net and you want to hit down, then that's the technique you would use. That. Sideways, of course, we talked about. Sideways is good. Use your shoulders a little bit to get some momentum. You get a good bounce, and hopefully one day you're able to hit it out of the court. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe here. If you want to see more in the series of what we do, up here. And if you want to learn about all the general things we do on all our channels, go down below.